These two verses talk about the situation of Yusuf after released from the prison. And in the first verse, it's after he's released and the king wants to make the connection. The last question: what lesson that you can take from this verse?
الملائكة والكتاب والنبيين
الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله. Surah Yusuf, verse 63 and 64. Tafsir.
والذين اتقوا فوقهم يوم القيامة.
Do not fulfill all the days of his day and night. Thus, the brother of Prophet Yusuf feel happy when Prophet Yusuf returned their merchandise. Oh yeah. Yes. So why Prophet Yusuf do not do the same action with the other group? The other will feel happy too. Do not fulfill all the days of his day and night.